Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do a very quick what sold video because eBay says no sales for you. Yeah, very slow. Yesterday, 11 orders on eBay for a whopping $83. Nothing on Hip. In fact, I wanted to show you stats from Hip Postcard, and of course it's just sitting and spinning, and when you try to look for stats, this is what you get. About done with your Hip. Get your shit together. Boy, bitter today. Anyway, let's get started here on these dismal sales. Sorry, back to Hip real quick. More I think about it, it's just upsetting me more. But anyway, if you can get on it, go to your store stats. This is what I was going to try to show you. For me, it's just sitting and spinning, but I was on here yesterday or the day before, and you can see from when Hip and eBay and when eBay did their new categories and Hip was having the sync problems, from then on, my sales every month have just gone down like that. So I really don't think I'm going to be with Hip much longer, but anyway, you can see it just sitting and spinning. But you try it, see what your store, it'll show you a graph chart, see what your store sales have been like over the last 5 months. Okay, back to the sales here. Tulsa, Oklahoma, Boston Avenue, 1930s Street View. There's that. See if I can make this video under 5 minutes. This is Santa Cruz, California, Swing Bridge, Big Tree Grove, 1906. There's that, and that sold for $5.99. Next is Sherborne, Montana. Actually, Sherborne Peak from Chief Mountain Ranch, Montana. Real photo. I believe this came from the York Postcard Show, or the no, I just listed this. So this came from the auction lot that I did, the online auction lot. 1149. California Highway, Mill Creek, Redwoods. Real photo. Patterson. Real photo. Patterson's right there. Big ass trees, as Matt from Jackass Retro calls them. 749. Bourndale, Massachusetts, Eagle Hill Farm interior dining room. The buyer asked if I had any more cards from this restaurant, farm, or whatever. I do. I don't. I didn't. So if you're watching this and if you have cards from this place, you might want to get them listed. Someone's looking for them. $6.99 for that card. Civil War Union Generals on Lookout Mountain, Chattanooga, Tennessee. And that sold for $8.50 on a best offer. Statesboro, Georgia, The Friendly Restaurant, circa 1940s restaurant, interior linen. There's that. And that's sold for $15.94. Rumson, New Jersey, River House Inn Bar Restaurant, Navsink River. And that's sold for $6.99. Conneaut Lake Park, Pennsylvania, Lollipop Garden, Fairyland Forest. And that sold for $6. I sold one of those Florida maps. I have about 30, 40, 50 copies left. $1.99. This is Milford, New Hampshire, Hayward Farms Ice Cream Stand Vintage Linen. You think this would sell for much more, but there was a lot of these out there. But $6 on a best offer. And of course we saw this one already. So yeah, extremely slow day. Hopefully sales pick up. I mean, $83 on this store, and I had $140 on the airplane store. So still it's 220, 240 for the day, 220. So not that bad, but eBay, I wish it was a lot better. Okay. Yeah, under 5 minutes. Hope you have a good day.